RBA visited the isolation center 2 weeks ago where COVID-19 patients are put under quarantine as ways of mitigating the virus. The quarantine lasts 14 days and if no symptoms shows or tests come negative, then one is advised to continue the quarantine from home, as explained by an official from the Ministry of Health.
Iyo udafite ikimenyetso na kimwe tugusaba kuguma mu rugo.
When you show no signs, then we ask you to continue to self-isolate as we follow up on you from home. We do that from day 1 to 14, but in between you might show a sign or two. That we will have explained to you. We'll then ask that we pick you up and put you under isolation where the experts will keep following up on you closely.
Quarantine kugira ngo noneho aba expert babizobereye na keep medicale igukurikirane.
From the ministerial announcement, it indicates that 1,578 people have been tested in just 48 hours. That's between Tuesday and Wednesday this week. This, according to Dr. Sabe Nsanzimana, the Director General of RBC, is because anyone suspected to have coronavirus is tested without necessarily waiting for symptoms.
Ibindi gishya twatangiye mu minsi mike ishize nuko ubwo tubonye arahuye n'ufite coronavirus wese.
The new thing that we have been doing over the week is that we are testing everyone and anyone who met with those who are infected with the virus. And this has shown us a clear picture that they are sick and they had no symptoms at all. Most of these are in Kigali. 2 or 3 people were not in Kigali at the time, but they live here. So we tested even those they met outside of Kigali to ensure that everyone is safe as we continue to protect the nation.
Tukabanza tugahashyikiza hakiri kidakwirakwiye mu gihugu hose.
World Health Organization Director General Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus says the world is failing if everyone suspected of coronavirus is not tested.
We cannot stop this pandemic if we don't know who is infected. We have a simple message for all countries: test, test, test. Test every suspected case. If they test positive, isolate them and find out who they have been in close contact with up to 2 days before they developed symptoms, and test those people too.
To date, 38% of all people who became infected with COVID-19 met with people with the virus, travelers from abroad, that constitute 72% of all patients, while 35 of these came from Dubai.